Hello, this is a quick 5-minute video showing you how to draw the basic shape of a hedgehog. This whole drawing took about 30 minutes, so you'll be able to get the basic shape and then you will be able to continue for about another 30 minutes building up tone. So first of all, you will need a piece of A4 paper and a pencil. So I'm using a 3B pencil, but you could use any pencil you want. Basically, the higher the number, the darker the tones you will be able to achieve. So the first thing you need to do is draw a line from one side of the other, your paper to the other. Draw the line about 1/3 of the way up. And then from this line, you need to then draw a semicircle. Try and keep these lines as light as possible. Okay, so that's the basic shape of the hedgehog. I'm then going to just put in his nose. And then I'm going to carry on and I'm just going to lightly put in the shape of his head. Come across here. And just drop that line back down to the bottom, and then from here I'm going to just put in his front leg and then another little paw here. Okay, so now we need to put in some of the features. So we've got his nose. Can be kind of a roundish shape. I'm going to put in his ear, which will be around here, and then last but not least, his eye. So try and make that look, it's a bit like a lemon shape. So the next job is to start to put in some detail and tone into your drawing. So first of all, you can begin just using very light strokes and working from his nose towards the back of the hedgehog. So I'm allowing these strokes to overlap. I'm not pressing particularly hard, I'm just allowing my pencil to make contact with the paper, and you can build this tone later as your drawing progresses. So a quick bit of tone here. I'm then going to also put some tone into his eye, so just in this front corner, just draw a little line from the top to the bottom, and then in the centre just draw a little sort of squashed circle shape, and I'm going to now build a bit of tone. So what I'm doing is building the tone rather than just pressing hard. I'm just allowing myself to work over the same parts, and this way you will be able to achieve a range of tones rather than it just being completely dark. I'm also going to now just apply the same to his ear. Just going to define that edge. And then the same here around his nose. I want to just build the tone around the edge of it. So I'm not going to work dark into the whole of the nose area. And then the same technique, so little flicks. When you're doing this, you need to think about, you know, what a hedgehog would feel like if you picked it up, and it wouldn't be all smooth and fluffy, it would be quite kind of sharp and prickly. So think about that when you're working with your pencil. Lots of jagged lines, and then underneath here as well. Okay, right, last part, just quickly, we're going to start some tone on this back part. So this is the really spiky part of the hedgehog. So use your pencil on its side and you almost want to do like flicking, so little flicks like this. You could also do like a V shape, so back and forth, up and down. And again, just remember that that little hedgehog is not going to be cuddly when you pick him up. He's going to be sharp and spiky. Might look cute, but he probably won't feel that cute. So you're building up that tone and you're working over that original semicircle. So back and forth. So that is the basic shape of your hedgehog. And in the next part of the video, I will show you how you can begin to develop the tone around the rest of the drawing.